everybody, I'm Diane. Today I want to talk about niche business ideas. Niche business ideas. I always say that word wrong. Okay, I want to give you some ideas of some thoughts and different things that I've done over the years. Things that I've had ideas about doing. Things that I've come across in all my 24 years online. Okay, so to choose a niche business idea, you've got to do research, and I did an earlier video on how to research niche business ideas today. And that was more about searching on 5RR for to do a niche, to offer a niche service. Like designing websites, making videos for people, for businesses, whatever, things in those lines. Okay, this video I want to talk more about products. Coming up with a product to sell. Okay, I made myself some notes here so you'll see me looking down. I got to do that at my age because I forget everything. Okay, so if you knit, sew, or crochet, you can come up with a product by doing that. And I'll give you an example. My business that I was so successful with, that I sold for a $50,000 profit, Cool Tubes, was hand knit golf club covers. And that was the most successful business I had. I made a lot of money. I was netting over $50,000 a year with that business. I ran that business for 5 years and then decided to sell it because it basically outgrew me. I couldn't keep up with orders anymore. So don't think that your products aren't going to sell. It's all in the work that you put into it. Another example for a knit or crochet product or sewn product is what my sister and I are doing. I started another little side hustle to help my sister out. And we have a website called Neon Knits. And what I do is I make clip-on hand knit pouches to clip onto your jeans, to your belt loops, with a drawstring out of bright neon colors. All kinds of neon colors. That's why it's called Neon Knits. I also make wrist warmers. And my sister makes hats. So we're getting that business off the ground. Just for something to do, for a side hustle to make a little extra money. But don't think that you can't really grow a business with a hand knit or hand crocheted product, because I did it with my golf club cover business. So you can do it as a side hustle, or you can create a full-blown business out of it. That's up to you. Whatever you need money-wise to make. Ebooks. A lot of people write and sell ebooks. The topics on ebooks is thousands, hundreds of thousands of topics you can write ebooks about and sell. How-tos, recipe books. The how-tos are your big thing. If you have a passion or a knowledge for something, and lots of experience with something, you want to write a how-to book. And it doesn't have to be long. An ebook can be anywhere from 10 pages to hundreds of pages. That's your choice. But, okay, say you're a gardener and you know a lot about plants. You can write an ebook about that. Say, you have knowledge of knitting, crocheting. You can teach people through videos how to knit, how to crochet. You can sell patterns. You can write an ebook with patterns in it, or just sell a specific pattern. There's websites where I now sell my golf club cover pattern on a website. So I make a little extra money off that. Another thing, okay, is my t-shirt designs. Now my t-shirt designs, you can start a full-blown business with that and make the t-shirts yourself. Or you can do what I do. I work on my own, just designing them. I do the designs and I'm partnered with a third-party company, TeePublic, who has the products, and they do the printing and shipping of all my orders. I do the designs, put them on the t-shirts in my store on TeePublic or my website, dianestees.com, and sell my designs on all of their products. They've got over 75 products, and I earn small commissions on every sale, every product that sells with one of my designs on it. And they pay monthly, so I get a monthly check. Well, I don't get a check. It goes into my PayPal account. And another thing, PayPal. Almost anything you're going to do, you need a PayPal account. So if you don't have one, get one. It's free. It doesn't cost you anything. Photographer. If you like photography and you're good at taking pictures and you have a good camera, you can sell your photos online. There are many websites where you can do that. You can sell your photos. Businesses will buy them and have them blown up into prints to hang on their wall. Doctor's offices, any kind of business. People who are building websites, they sometimes want a specific photo for on their website. They'll buy your photo. So you can make money online with photography. Become a blogger, which is partially what I'm doing with my consulting business, niche business ideas. I have a blog. This morning I just wrote a blog post for my blog on my website. With a blog, there's many different ways to make money. But what a lot of people do as a blogger is they become an affiliate of Amazon. Amazon is like the biggest top one that people become an affiliate with. And then when they write blog posts, they link different products in their blog posts on Amazon, and then every time someone clicks on that link and buys something, they earn a commission for it. So that's a great way to make money as a blogger. Now, all of these businesses I'm talking about, it don't happen overnight. You're not going to make money right away, okay? It takes time and lots of hard work. There's other websites besides Amazon that people use. There's a site called Share a Sale. You can go on there. I've done it in the past with one of my blogs where I went on there and got links to different clothing stores for women's clothing. And I earned commissions off of the sales of selling some women's clothing through my blog. People click on the link, go there to the store's website, order some shirts, some pants, a purse, anything. Jewelry, you can do jewelry, you can do just about anything on Share a Sale. There's thousands, hundreds of thousands of stores on there that do affiliate stores. So you can always find different things to do as far as affiliate marketing for your blog. And if you have questions, I'm open to doing a business consult with you about blogging. I can give you more advice, more tips. So feel free to contact me about that or any other business. I like to help people. That's what I'm here for. Okay, cat and dog products. Yeah. I have 6 dogs. 6 little guys. Well, 1 medium. But cat and dog products are so popular. People love their animals. Rabbits. Rabbits is another one. People have rabbits. I used to have a rabbit that roamed around my house. That was fun. He chewed off my wires to my computer. So I had to do some rearranging, and eventually I gave up my rabbit. He chewed off the wires to my electric reclining couch too. So that was the end of the story of a rabbit running around my house. Okay. The other things that I talked about was selling knitting, crocheting, sewing patterns, any kind of craft. Any kind of craft you can sell patterns for, teach people how to do certain crafts. And the best way to do stuff like that is through videos. As far as patterns, you can write up your patterns and put them in a file on your computer, and then, or like an ebook format, and then sell that. When somebody places an order for your product, for your pattern, then all you have to do is email them a copy of your pattern. That's easy. Another thing, I have a girlfriend who's doing this. I don't know, not every area is going to have something like this, but you can find stuff online too. I have a friend who buys pallets of stuff. And then what she does is she has a yard sale over the weekend and sells the things that she bought from pallet loads. She also sells her stuff online. Some of the bigger, higher priced items she'll put online and sell it online, either ship it or the people, if they're local, come to her house to pick it up. Buying pallets, there's money in that. Good money. She's making really good money doing it. She has a choice of pallets. When you go to the local place that's selling pallets of items, there's electronics, there's kids' toys. The other week she got a pallet full of dog and cat toys, crates for the cats and dogs, all kinds of things. I've bought curtains for my whole house, for every window in my house from her, and got a bargain from her for those. Curtain rods, I also got nice fancy curtain rods too. So with pallets, you can come up with, you can buy whatever you want. Here's another one. She got a pallet full of fish pond equipment for people to make ponds in their backyards. She sold all that. That included the pond pumps, the fabric and everything to lay out to make your pond. All kinds of stuff, all kinds of things to make a pond. So there's so much stuff you can do, but this will give you some business ideas. Do your research. Go on Google. Start Googling things. Get some business ideas. Call me. I'll do a consult with you for an hour. I charge $25 for the first hour. After that, it's free. I talk to you for free, but you always got to book an appointment with me because my schedule's limited. All right, guys. See the links below my video in the description. Don't forget, subscribe to my channel and give me a thumbs up, please, under the video. Bye, guys. Have a nice Sunday. Take care.